BMW M760i driver's notes, V12 luxury with a mighty big back seat. This week, we have the biggest, baddest BMW sedan around, the 2017 M760i. This thing packs 12 turbocharged cylinders under the hood, good for 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive helps send this 2.5-ton 7 Series to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. A sea of leather and wood ensure that trips on the Autobahn are done in quiet comfort. Still, this car wears an M badge, even if it isn't a full M2 model. That little letter carries with it a lot of history and pedigree. Does this car deserve to wear the M designation? Or is it simply a pretender? Does it even matter if it's still good to drive? Here's what we think after a week behind the wheel. Senior Editor, Green, John Belts Snyder. It definitely feels like you're driving something special when you're behind the wheel of the BMW M760i. Every time I approached the car, I'd take a moment to soak it all in. The M and V12 badging really stand out against the matte gray paint, the wheel pattern is intricate and sporty, and the sheer size of the 7 Series is imposing. It all serves to get you pumped up when you climb in. But, my colleagues ask me, does it feel like an M car? While it's not for me to decide what BMW applies the M treatment to, I'd say that this doesn't really feel like it's in the same club as the rest of the M Bimmers I've driven. It feels neither hardcore nor track-worthy. It's quick, but it sometimes feels more like a boat than a car, especially the way the nose lifts skyward under hard acceleration. There are a dozen pots under the hood, it's expensive, it begs to be photographed, and I enjoyed driving it, but to me, that doesn't make it an M car. I suppose BMW's choice to put the M badge on it is the beginning and end of that debate, though.